Hi, everyone. This is Vicky, your Get Set Up guide. And today I want to share a great little feature. If you're working in a Zoom meeting, it's called Save Chat. It allows you to save the contents of the chat window to your computer. Now, unfortunately, this feature is only available if you're working on a PC. Maybe it's a Windows laptop or desktop or a MacBook. The feature is not available if you're working on a smartphone or a tablet or a Google Chromebook. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm in a Zoom meeting and I'm going to click on the chat icon on my Zoom control bar. It brings up my chat screen, my little chat window there. And you'll see I already have a few messages in the chat. Maybe there's some website URLs, things like that. If I wanted to save the contents of the chat, I'll come down to the lower right-hand corner of my chat window, and you'll see that right next to the smiley face, I have my little purple pointer pointing to the button or the icon that has the three horizontal dots. If I click on the three horizontal dots, it brings up another menu. You may not see all the things that I have on my menu because I've logged in as the host of the meeting. However, you will see the Save Chat option. Clicking on Save Chat gives you a message, the chat has been saved. And then if you click on the Show in Folder button there, it will open up another window. I'm in a Windows environment, so it's opening up something called File Explorer, and it opens it up to the folder where we have saved this file. And the name of the file is meeting_saved_chat. If I double click on the file, it will open up the file, and there you see the same contents that you saw in the chat window. You have access to everything. I'm just going to click on the X in the upper right-hand corner to close my window. If you ever need to go back later on and find this file, you'll always go to Documents, and then within your Documents folder, there will be a Zoom folder. And then within your Zoom folder, you will see a separate folder that has the date and the time that the chat was saved. You simply double click on the folder to open it, and there you have your file. Again, you can double click on the file to open it. So if you enjoyed this tip, please come join us in the Getting Started with Zoom for Beginners class. We offer many more tips like this to help you get started with Zoom.